Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. How you doing? I need an angel to save me from myself. For today's video, I'm gonna be trying out the new hair spray for all your wigs, for our wigs slayage and all of that. The other day on my Instagram, I came across people using whole ORS glue gel and the spray for the wigs. I'm like, since when they've been using that? Since when that product has been out? Because as far I know, and as far I know you know, we all used to the got to be spray and the got to be black glue for all our wigs, you know. So sometimes I'm just like, oh, I wish I can have something else that I can use instead of using the got to be gel and glue, just because of the mess it gives. So however, there's a new olive oil grip gel hold and the new olive oil fix it super hold spray. I haven't tried these two yet. I just got it like a few days ago. Yes, I'm gonna be putting this to the test. I did try to search this glue online to see the reviews on it, how people have used it, what do they think, but I haven't come across any good videos about it. So these normally cost £3 or £4 in the drugstore, and this also cost £4 or £3 in the drugstore. I have a new alternative, which is this, and this is about £3 something, almost the same range, but maybe this is more expensive than that. I think it's about £4 something as well. So but at least I have all these, so this is gonna last me for a really long time before I can replace it again. I've braided my hair into 3, so I'm gonna like cover it up and then we go on and fix our wig. Initially I wanted to fix a frontal wig because, you know, why not? This we can actually tell the longevity of this new product, but however I don't have any standing mirror right yet for me to see. I only have a hand mirror, and that hand mirror is gonna be like a long thing for me because I'm gonna be like shuffling between looking at myself and trying to fix this. The wig I'm gonna be trying out today is this my 4x4 closure blonde wig. This is kind of like my first wig that I colored and I done myself, and I really love it. This wig has gone so much a lot, and you're gonna try and style the hair. What I'm styling is just commit, really. So first things first, let me read what it says on the body of this product. Combines the power of nourishing olive oil, straightening castor oil, and burdock rock extract.
2 hours later.
Infused with castor oil for straightening, extra old gel for lace front, wig, and weave application. It claims that it can protect your edges, you know, so even if you try to remove your wig, your edges is not gonna like just go off. Before our wig application, I normally like, you know, moisturize my hair, add a bit of oil or anything that will keep my hair very moist and oily and soft instead of being dry. So I've already put this on my hair earlier this morning. So what I'm just gonna do is just to spray with the coconut oil spray from Palmer's coconut formula, just a little bit spray. And after that, you moisturize your hair. You want to wear your wig cap. This is not really that transparent as the normal one that you can do bold cap with. This is actually thick and brown in place situation. Ooh, so let me see how I look. We want to try and fix our hair to where we're going to position our glue on later on. I got our elastic band like this. I got my high. Fix the back. Okay, it's one side. You know, I've not actually tried one side. Once our wig is in place, so we want to move it back so we can have a space where we're gonna have our glue. So I am gonna spray this on first. Ooh, no. after you spray your hair, initially before I do apply my gel, so I always try to use a rubbing alcohol to remove any excess from my forehead before I apply my gel. So next is to apply the glue. I'm using a popsicle stick. Actually, I got this from ice cream. Where our lace is gonna be, we're just gonna use this to spread it out. The gel looks very nice. I like it. Very smooth. I think one stick of gel is enough because it's not actually a full frontal, it's just a little bit of closure, and I don't think I need to put a lot of spray, but because we're trying this, so why not? For extra hold. So we can wait for this to dry down a little bit, or we can go ahead with a blow dryer to actually blow it out. I'm all about the quickness. I just did that for a few seconds, so I can go ahead and apply my closure on it now. If this were to be a frontal, I'm gonna actually blow dry that for long until it becomes tacky. It's still wet a little bit. The reason I'm gonna just lay my closure is because my closure is actually flat, so it's not gonna move regardless if I have a gel or not. So why not just move it now? Okay. So while the lace is trying to lay down, I'm just gonna try and do a baby hair. I actually like the glue though. This is the problem I have, using one hand for everything. It's not giving me any wet residue, it's just actually drying quickly. Oh my god guys, my hair is laying put. This gel is mad thing. It's mad. The spray is mad thing. Oh boy, you see that right there? You see that right there? That layage? I can't even see any white residue or any like glue towards the hair. And it's sure it's not dry fully yet, but the way the beginning is so laid, it's lovely. So I'm just gonna use a blow dry to go in 2 minutes. Just to rest the hair and a little bit of edges, I'm gonna use my Argan Oil Style and Shine Foamy Mousse. I will use this mousse to create a little bit of baby hair and to lay any flyaways. I'm just gonna clean a little bit of the edges with my alcohol. We're gonna take a band or our scarf just to secure the lace to dry for longer. If you want to do your makeup, this is the right time to do your makeup. So like that, we secure our wig and we're gonna go put on makeup and be back and to show you the finished look and see how well this gel holds. I'll be right back guys. Welcome back guys, and here is a finished look. If I come close, you can see this is going nowhere. Come on, what are we talking about? What we saying before? So what do I think about the new ORS glue gel and super hold? I think it's wonderful. I think it actually came at the right time. They want to collect some black coins, and yes, in the next few weeks and months, this is gonna be popping up everywhere. Like people's gonna like be aware of it, want to use it more often. You know, this glue wastes no time. It dries quickly. Once your lace is touching that glue and your skin, the grip on it is so strong. It actually like it doesn't move. So far, I haven't seen no gunks on my hair to look as see I apply gel on my hair, because sometimes with the got to be glue gel, when it comes in contact with makeup and the glue, you know, it becomes a thick glue like that. Is not so nice at all. So far I actually love this glue. See, That's how strong it is. Okay, I don't want to yank my edges out. Okay, I don't want to. So on that note, I will give this glue and the spray what number? I'll give it a 10, just because it actually came at the right time, you know, for me struggling with the got to be glue. It actually gives a really ultra old. Oh, it smells really nice. It actually smells like gel. It's my alternative now to the got to be glue. I'll say first impression, and right now this is a yes for me, and I'm happy with this alternative and with this. Thank you ORS for actually coming out with these two lovely things that I'm gonna put to my hair kit, and literally I might be using it more often. This is my new favorite, and I'm gonna be putting this to test and work to see which I prefer along the way. But right now, currently, I'm used to got to be. I also think you should try this one because I feel it's versatile. It's actually good. You don't just use it on just your wigs, you can also use it on your natural hair, and this also protects your natural hair and make it grow as well, so it protects those edges. Kudos 10 for me. Jennifer approved. So if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please leave your comment below. Do you have this gel? Are you gonna buy it? Do you think it's good? What's your thoughts about this gel? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until then, guys, I will see you on my next video. If you don't love yourself, who will? Peace out.